Hello and welcome back to UK Auto Car Insight. Today, we are taking a closer look at the 2026 John Deere 1M25, a compact tractor that combines modern styling, reliable performance, and advanced technology for farmers, landscapers, and property owners. The latest model brings several improvements that make it more capable and comfortable than ever before. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 John Deere 1M25 features a refreshed design that stays true to the brand's iconic green and yellow identity. The front fascia has been updated with a more aggressive grille pattern, giving the tractor a stronger and more modern appearance. New LED headlights improve visibility during early morning and late evening operations while adding a premium touch to the overall design. The hood has been redesigned for better airflow and easier maintenance access, making routine servicing more convenient. The tractor's compact dimensions make it ideal for working in tight spaces, yet it still offers a solid and durable build. Reinforced body panels and improved corrosion protection help ensure long-term durability even under demanding working conditions. The operator platform has also been upgraded with a more ergonomic layout, making daily use more comfortable. Under the hood, the 2026 John Deere 1M25 is powered by an efficient diesel engine designed to provide dependable performance for a wide range of tasks. Whether you are mowing large fields, handling loader work, transporting materials, or maintaining property grounds, this tractor delivers consistent power and smooth operation. The engine offers strong low-end torque, helping operators tackle challenging jobs with confidence. Performance is one of the key highlights of the new model. The improved transmission system provides smoother gear changes and better control during operation. Hydraulic response has also been enhanced, allowing attachments and implements to work more efficiently. The steering system feels precise and responsive, making the tractor easy to maneuver in confined areas. When it comes to maximum speed, the 2026 John Deere 1M25 can reach approximately 25 to 30 km per hour depending on tire configuration and operating conditions. This makes it practical for moving between work locations while maintaining excellent stability and control. Fuel efficiency remains an important advantage. The tractor delivers an average fuel consumption of around 2.5 to 4 liters per hour depending on workload, terrain, and attached equipment. The advanced engine management system helps reduce fuel waste while maximizing productivity throughout the workday. As for pricing, the 2026 John Deere 1M25 is expected to start at approximately $18,000 to $24,000 depending on optional equipment, attachments, and market location. Additional technology packages and premium features may increase the final purchase price. Overall, the 2026 John Deere 1M25 offers an excellent balance of performance, efficiency, durability, and comfort. It is a strong choice for anyone looking for a reliable compact tractor that can handle a variety of tasks with ease. Thanks for watching UK Auto Car Insight. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tractor reviews and agricultural equipment updates.